on, everyone? Got a 2019 Ford Ranger key fob here. I'm gonna show you how to open it to replace the battery. Okay, so what we want to do first is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. To do that, we're gonna press this button right here, hold it down, and then pull the key out from the bottom. This button right here unlocks the emergency key. This opens the door. All right, once we have that taken out, now we have this slot right here that we're gonna use to take this back panel off. Okay, so we're gonna flathead screwdriver, put it in this slot like this, and we can just pry it up. You see how it opens it up like this? And we can just pry this top cover off. It'll come up just like that. Then what we want to do is, there's another little slot right here at the bottom. We can use the flathead screwdriver and pry the battery out. Show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR2450. If you need a new one, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can pick one up. When you get your new one, we're going to stick it in the side of the remote first, the right side. Lock it in like that. Get the cover. Stick it in the top first. Smash it down. Okay. And then get the emergency key, put it back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. See you again in another video.